Have you ever felt tired, weak, or moody, even when you're eating, sleeping, and doing everything right? It might not be stress. It could be something simple, like a vitamin deficiency. Vitamins are tiny but powerful nutrients. Your body depends on them every single day to stay healthy, strong, and sharp. They don't provide energy like food, but they help your body use energy, repair cells, and fight off illness. Let's explore what happens when your body doesn't get enough of these important vitamins and how you can fix it. Vitamin A supports your eyes, skin, and immune system. Without enough, your vision, especially at night, can suffer. You may also get dry eyes, dry skin, and more frequent infections. Foods rich in vitamin A include carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, and dairy. Vitamin B comes in many types like B1, B6, B12, and folate. These help your body turn food into energy and keep your nerves and brain working properly. Low B vitamins can cause tiredness, dizziness, numb hands or feet, memory issues, and even mood changes. B12 is especially important and is mostly found in animal products. Good sources include meat, eggs, dairy, leafy greens, and whole grains. Vitamin C boosts your immune system and helps your body heal wounds and build healthy skin. A deficiency can lead to bleeding gums, slow healing, bruising, or frequent colds. Fruits like oranges, kiwi, and strawberries, and vegetables like bell peppers are great sources. Vitamin D is made when your skin is exposed to sunlight. It keeps your bones strong, supports your mood, and helps your immune system. Too little can cause bone pain, fatigue, sadness, or frequent illness. You can get vitamin D from sunlight, eggs, oily fish, and fortified foods like milk or cereal. Vitamin E is an antioxidant. It protects your cells and supports your skin, eyes, and muscles. A lack of vitamin E may cause muscle weakness, balance problems, or blurred vision. It's found in nuts, seeds, spinach, and plant oils. Vitamin K helps your blood clot when you get a cut. Without it, even small wounds may bleed too long. It also plays a role in bone strength. Vitamin K is found in leafy green vegetables like kale and broccoli. So how do you know if you're missing vitamins? Watch for signs like tiredness, hair loss, frequent colds, dry skin, poor healing, or mood swings. The good news is, it's easy to fix. Eat a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables. Get sunlight, and consider supplements if needed. And always check with your doctor before taking any new vitamins. Your body is smart. When it gets what it needs, you feel your best, inside and out. Give it the right fuel, and it will take care of you.